You came here because you're fed up, you want to make money online and achieve financial freedom. Well, buckle up, buttercups, as we are going to help you open your eyes to a world of opportunity. Let me introduce myself. I am Nathan, a simple 43-year-old guy from Wales in the United Kingdom. I have a background in sales, marketing and business operations, so yes, I am someone who knows how business works. One secret that I have is never stop learning. There is always new ways to make money. New technologies to learn about and utilize. To be honest, today more than ever we are seeing the biggest shift in the way the world works since the Industrial Revolution. Don't believe me? Just look at the advancement in technology we have with AI. Today, though we will keep it simple, I am going to give you some tips on how to become a copywriter and make at least £200 to £500 per day, or over £1,042 per week. But how can you make this amount? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain to you how to make passive income with ChatGPT and Google Bard. I'll cover a few different methods, including creating and selling AI-powered tools, writing and selling ebooks, and in a future video we will discuss creating and selling courses, and providing AI-powered consulting services as another way to make passive income. So let's get into it. Creating and selling AI-powered tools. One way to make passive income with ChatGPT and Google Bard is to create and sell AI-powered tools. For example, you could create a tool that helps people write blog posts, generate marketing copy, or create social media posts. You could then sell these tools on a marketplace like CodeCanyon or Gumroad. Here are some tips for creating and selling AI-powered tools. Choose a niche that you're passionate about. Do your research to make sure there is a demand for your tool. Create a high-quality tool that is easy to use and solves a real problem. Promote your tool on social media, in online forums, and in your email newsletter. Copywriting. Another way to make passive income with ChatGPT and Google Bard is to use them to create copywriting for businesses. This could include writing blog posts, social media posts, email marketing campaigns, or even landing pages. You could then sell this copywriting to businesses on a freelance basis or through a content mill. Here are some tips for making passive income with copywriting. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and that you have expertise in. Do your research to make sure there is a demand for copywriting in your niche. Create high-quality copywriting that is persuasive and engaging. Promote your copywriting services on social media, in online forums, and in your email newsletter. How much money you could make per day? The amount of money you could make per day with copywriting will vary depending on your skills, experience, and the demand for copywriting in your niche. However, it is possible to make a significant amount of money with copywriting. For example, a freelance copywriter with a few years of experience could easily make £790 per day. Creating books. Another way to make passive income with ChatGPT and Google Bard is to use them to write and publish ebooks. This is a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others, and it can also be a great source of passive income. You can sell your ebooks on a platform like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Smashwords. Here are some tips for making passive income with ebooks. Choose a topic that you're passionate about and that you have expertise in. Do your research to make sure there is a demand for your ebook. Write a high-quality ebook that is well organized and informative. Promote your ebook on social media, in online forums, and in your email newsletter. How much money you could make per day? The amount of money you could make per day with ebooks will vary depending on the popularity of your ebook and the number of sales you make. However, it is possible to make a significant amount of money with ebooks. For example, an ebook that is well written and well promoted could easily make $100 per day in royalties. Conclusion. In this video, I've shown you a few different ways to make passive income with ChatGPT and Google Bard. These are just a few ideas to start your journey copywriting, and there are many other possibilities. With a little effort, you can use these powerful AI tools to create a stream of passive income that will help you achieve your financial goals. I hope this helps, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.